Bitcoin trades below $38,000, Ether trades above $2,000. Santander Private Bank introduces Bitcoin, Ethereum trading for Swiss clients. Sam Altman, founder OpenAI CEO, lands at Microsoft. Kronos Research hacked for $25 million, suspends trading. Philippines sells $270 million of maiden tokenized bonds. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. After negotiating with the liquidation pressure last week, leading virtual digital assets are seen gaining momentum as bullish signals have reappeared. The commencement of Thanksgiving week in the US coinciding with market optimism is keeping crypto maximalists fairly active. Shikha Singh joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index, the barometer of top 15 tokens, rose 1.8% to 47,280 points. US equity futures opened later, little changed on Sunday evening, heading into the shortened Thanksgiving holiday week with all of the major averages coming off of their third straight winning performance. Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 12 points or 0.03%. S&P 500 futures were up 3 points or nearly 0.1%, and Nasdaq 100 futures were higher by 23 points or 0.14%. The global crypto market capitalization is $1.42 trillion, a 1.7% increase over the last day. Meanwhile, institutional investors' bonhomie with cryptos is growing in recent past. Add Santander to that list as the private banking international, a part of Spanish financial services giant Banco Santander, is offering high net worth clients with Swiss accounts trading and investing in Bitcoin and Ethereum, according to CoinDesk. Bitcoin was trading at $37,187, up near 1.4% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin has received a boost from broker Bernstein, which expects Bitcoin to emerge as a global macro-political asset with a more than $3 trillion market capitalization, quadrupling by mid-2025. Currently, its market capitalization stands under $800 billion, while its dominance over the alt stands at 51.2%, a decrease of 0.18% over the day. Bitcoin stashed in wallets tied to centralized cryptocurrency exchange rose to 31,382.43 Bitcoin, which is approximately $1.16 billion on Sunday, the highest since May 11, 2023, according to Glassnode. Ethereum was trading at $2,031, up 3.4% in the last 24 hours. Binance BNB was trading at $248.5, up 1.7%. Cardano's ADA token jumped 5.9% to $0.39. Ripple's XRP token has added 2.6% at $0.63. Solana's SOL lost 0.3% at $60.6. Shiba Inu rose 1.9%. Polkadot gained 4.8% to trade at $5.53.
Thank you, Shikha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Santander Private Banking International, part of Spanish financial services giant Banco Santander, is offering high net worth clients in Switzerland trading and investing in the major cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ether. Over the next several months, Santander will offer additional cryptocurrencies that meet the bank's screening criteria, the announcement said. Santander said that the service is provided only upon client request through relationship managers, and the assets are held in a regulated custody model in which the bank stores the private cryptographic keys in a secure environment. This is a bold move given that most big banks prefer to be dwindling around with tokenization and tend to avoid exposure to open access blockchains and the cryptocurrencies that run on them. Banco Santander is more than 160 years old and has 166 million customers. The private bank caters to 210,000 wealthy clients with assets and deposits accounting for about $315 billion. Sam Altman, the former CEO of OpenAI, Greg Brockman, the company's co-founder and president, and other former staff members will be joining Microsoft, the software giant CEO Satya Nadella said in a post on X. Altman left OpenAI last week after the board said it no longer had confidence in him to continue leading the company. Brockman announced his resignation shortly after Altman was ousted. Altman will lead a new advanced AI research team, Nadella said. OpenAI's major investors, led by Nadella, reportedly pushed to reinstate Sam Altman as CEO and replace the current board following the unexpected firing with intense negotiations involved in the process. Nadella said that the Microsoft remains committed to its partnership with OpenAI and looks forward to getting to know new CEO Emmett Shear and working with the company. Quantitative trading firm Kronos Research has halted all trading services following the theft of over $25 million by an unauthorized entity. The firm disclosed on November 19th that some of its API keys had been compromised, leading to suspend trading on the platform as a precautionary measure. Look On Chain subsequently discovered that the exchange lost about $25.65 million, including $24.57 million USDT, 488.7 ETH, and 125,056 USDC. While the breach represents a significant theft of funds, Kronos Research stated that potential losses are not a substantial portion of the company's equity. The firm aims to resume trading soon, pending the results of an internal investigation into the hack. The Philippines has successfully sold $270 million worth of its maiden tokenized treasury bonds, according to a Bloomberg report. The tokenized bonds, due in November 2024 with a 6.5% coupon rate, garnered immense interest from investors. Additionally, the government of the Philippines has been lauded for showing efforts to embrace digital technology in the bond market. The Bureau of Treasury revealed that bids for the tokenized treasury bonds reached a total of 31.426 billion pesos, surpassing 3 times the 10 billion pesos minimum offer. The substantial demand reflects a strong appetite among institutional investors for peso-dominated tokenized assets, showcasing the effectiveness of the government's diversification strategy. Scheduled to commence on November 20th, the official offerings of the tokenized bonds will begin and the issuance will commence on November 22nd. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update of the buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have Caspa. Caspa, a new cryptocurrency, has seen significant increase in value following its listing on Coinbase's platform. The Coinbase effect attributed to the asset's legitimacy has contributed to the surge. Binance's announcement to list KAS for perpetual trading fueled a 15% increase in Caspa's price within 24 hours and an 80% surge in trading volumes between Wednesday and Thursday. Analysts predict further gains if KAS surpasses the $0.1400 mark, potentially reaching a new range high of $0.1483. Caspa is a digital ledger technology that uses proof of work for security and smooth operations. It enables multiple blocks to exist simultaneously, addressing the issue of 2 blocks being created but only one can be used. Caspa's creators, inspired by Satoshi Nakamoto, aims to maintain core Bitcoin concepts like the proof-of-work system, limited coin supply, and no single control. Unlike regular blockchains, Caspa uses a ghost attack protocol, ensuring safety and quick block processing. Currently, Caspa can handle 1 block per second but aims to handle 10 or 100 blocks per second. KAS was trading at $0.14, up 2% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have XRP. Ripple Labs has joined the International Swaps and Derivatives Association, also known as ISDA, joining financial giants like JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs. This move signifies a shift in cryptocurrency industry as digital assets gain a global recognition. Ripple's entry into the derivatives market is strategic, impacting the $1.2 quadrillion derivatives market. This reinforces the growing acceptance of digital assets in traditional financial spheres and emphasizes the integration of blockchain technology. Brito predicts that XRP price will surge to $10,000, catering to the diverse needs of 7.5 billion people globally. Runcom's Network's R&D cryptocurrency is also emerging as a significant player in the evolving cryptocurrency landscape, contributing to expansion into over 130 plus countries, including the United States. XRP was trading at $0.6, up 1.88% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have USDT. Tether Holdings, the issuer of $87 billion USDT stablecoin, has announced the plans to invest $500 million in the Bitcoin mining sector over the next 6 months. The company plans to build its own mining facilities and acquire stakes in other companies operating in the Bitcoin mining space. Tether plans to build its facilities across 3 countries, signaling a global approach to mining endeavors. This move aligns with Tether's broader vision to extend its influence beyond stablecoin issuance and leverage its resources to participate actively in blockchain ecosystem. Tether's CTO, Arduino, has hinted at upcoming expansions of the minting software, including energy production, monitoring, and the possibility of open sourcing specific components. Next on the list, we have DogeCoin. The crypto community is speculating about a collaboration between Bill Ackman, CEO of Pershing Square Capital Management, and Elon Musk's rebranded X social media platform. This alliance has piqued the interest of DogeCoin enthusiasts as Musk's affinity for the meme-inspired cryptocurrency is known. Ackman, a prolific user of the X platform, has received regulatory approval for his investment vehicle Spark. The speculation surrounding Ackman's dealings with Musk's X has stirred discussions about the potential market trajectory for DogeCoin, which targets as high as $0.75. Rumors also suggest Musk may incorporate DogeCoin payments into X's payment systems. DogeCoin was trading at $0.08, up near 2% in the last 24 hours. Last on the list, we have Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu, a cryptocurrency token, has experienced a recent increase in its burn rate, a deliberate strategy to decrease supply and potentially boost its price. However, the SHIB price has not shown significant changes in correlation with the increase. Burning tokens to enhance value is controversial, especially when the amount destroyed is not substantial enough to impact the circulating supply or demand. For SHIB's price to be significantly influenced by burns, around $1 million worth of SHIB would need to be burned. Given the vast majority of a SHIB, the current burns are relatively small and unlikely to significantly affect the price. Market dynamics in the cryptocurrency space are complex and influenced by factors such as investor sentiment, broader market trends, and intrinsic developments within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. The token's price movement is subject to a wider array of market forces, and investors and enthusiasts are closely monitoring the potential impact on Shiba's market valuation. Shiba Inu was trading up near 2% in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3hostTV.io or scan the QR code.